is the beautiful and spacious living and dining area. So this is the kitchen. You can check out the interior work as well. And over here, this is the bed space. So this is your 30 to 47 square feet super built up area of 4 BHK plus staff room. So let's have a look at this. So before you enter, let me show you the video door phone and the digital door lock that the builder will provide you. Now this will be the foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter, you can check out, here is the living area. But before that, let me show you the guest bedroom. So here they have provided with the guest bedroom, and again when you enter, they have given you the foyer area for your privacy. And now let me show you the bedroom space. So this is the spacious bedroom with the bed space. And now here is a full-fledged window for your ventilation and lighting purpose, and again over this side is the access for your main deck area, that is the balcony, which we'll check later on from the living area. Now we'll be moving further. So here they have added up the wardrobe, and here is the attached washroom. So this is the attached washroom with marble flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Here the sink is placed inside the washroom itself. And now once you move out, here is the powder area, the powder room, with marble flooring and CP sanitary fittings. And now over here comes the beautiful and spacious living and dining area. So this is the part of the living area where they have set up the sofa set beautifully, and just behind it is the dining area exactly in front of the kitchen. But now let me show you the deck area, that is the spacious balcony area. So this is the balcony area with wooden flooring. Over here they have providing with the toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. And as mentioned, you can check out, here is the access for your balcony from your guest bedroom. Isn't it beautiful and spacious, right? Now we'll be moving further towards the kitchen area. You have already checked up the dining area, and now exactly in front of that is the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen. You can check out the interior work as well with the platforms, the serving platform, the cabinets. Here they are providing with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now this is the access for your utility area. Again with the platforms over here. And this utility area is spread in L shape. So isn't it spacious, right? Again here is a window for ventilation purpose. And now about the staff room. So here this side they are providing with the staff room. So let's have a look at this. Here you can check out, they have added up a bed and a wardrobe to show you the space. And again it comes with, here is the attached washroom with marble flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now one thing to mention, that your staff room will be having 2 exits, one from the utility area and other over here, which will open directly outside. Here's the exclusive entry for maid, and main entrance is for the owners and the guests only. Now let's move further towards your other bedroom space. So here are 3 bedrooms. Now this is the passage area. Once you enter over here, you can check out, you can add up a beautiful decor in this passage area as well. Now here are 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom, we'll check later on. But before that, here let's move towards this bedroom. So again you enter, you can check out the foyer area for your privacy. They have added up a wardrobe over here. And let's enter. So this is the beautiful bedroom space with a bed space. They have even added up a table and a chair over here. Again, the beautiful decor with a shelf, your study shelf or anything. And now over here is the full-fledged window. So they are providing you with the full-fledged window. Now let's move further towards your another bedroom. So now this is your bedroom number 3. Again with a foyer area for your privacy. Here the foyer area they have given in a L shape, so double privacy you can check out. Now here they have added up a wardrobe, and now this is the bedroom space. Full, you can check out the interior work done so well with a bed space. Here is the study table, a window, a cross window for ventilation purpose, and again here is a full-fledged window. And now over here you can check out the washroom. This is the washroom with marble flooring, CP sanitary fittings and even the bathtub. Sink which is provided inside the washroom itself. Now we'll be moving further towards the master bedroom, but before entering, let me tell you what all features Housey provide y'all. So Housey is here with the actual location tool with such sample flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features are under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Just go quickly and register yourself on Housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now, just exactly beside to this bedroom is your master bedroom. So once you enter, you will be getting the royal feel. You can check out the beautiful space. Here you can add up your couch. And over here, this is the bed space. About the full-fledged window. So here is a full-fledged window in this bedroom. Again, for cross ventilation, they have given you a window over here. You can check out here, the best point is the walk-in wardrobe. So they are providing with a walk-in wardrobe over here, and which opens to the washroom. So this is the washroom area. You can check out with marble flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Shower glass partition as well, and the sink is placed with a platform inside the washroom itself. So this was all about your 4 BHK plus staff room in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Brigade Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then again do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, do not forget to give a like and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.